Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to create a subdomain and install WordPress in Hostinger. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And here you will see a list of the available websites or domain name connected to your Hostinger account. In my case, I have this single domain name that is connected to my Hostinger account. Here you have two ways to install WordPress on a subdomain. You can either go to the dashboard of your main or to your main website and then create a subdomain and install WordPress on it, or go straight to add website, and in the step of adding or filling your subdomain or connecting your domain, then you can use a subdomain. So either way, so I will, for this video, I will keep things simple. So I will go with the second way, which is clicking on add website, select WordPress from this list. Here select the WordPress website language. You have a very long list of languages. I will keep English. Here fill in your WordPress admin email address. This is my email address, and then a WordPress administration password. For this password and email address, those two information needs to be well remembered to be able to log into your WordPress dashboard. After that, click on next. Here you can install WordPress or create your WordPress website using AI, pre-built websites and themes, or create a blank site. And by a blank website, they mean the default or the known default WordPress theme, the black and white WordPress we all know. For this video, I will go with create a blank site. Here fill in the subdomain that you want to use for this new WordPress website. In my case, I will create wordpress.benstutorial.com. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom builders academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. Do you own this domain? Yes, use it. By the way, you can if you have a domain connected to Hostinger, or if you have a domain name registered, or if you already have a domain name registered, you can use it here. If you don't have one, you can use Hostinger temporary domain, which is also a subdomain, as I think a subdomain like your wordpress.hostinger.com or something similar. For this video, I will use my own subdomain. After that, click on install WordPress. Here, they didn't ask me to connect or to point my domain to Hostinger using Hostinger's name servers, because this step, or because my domain name, which is benstutorial.com, is already connected or already pointing to Hostinger using Hostinger's name servers. And just like that, my WordPress is completely installed on my subdomain. To give my newly created website a visit, simply click on visit site. And this is how to create, this is how to create a subdomain and create WordPress in Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.